This is a 2006 Cayman S. It came in with a spun rod bearing, major internal damage, and a case that looked like it might be done. Our job was to turn it into a reliable 3.9 liter build, hit 370 plus horsepower, and send the owner home smiling. But before any of that could happen, we had to see just how bad the damage was. As the engine came apart, the story started to unfold. We found oil where it shouldn't be, metal in the oil sump, and damage that made it clear this was going to need much more than a simple refresh. And the deeper we got, the worse it looked. The spun rod bearing had done serious damage, even taking a piece of the case out. At that point, we knew the cylinder walls could be fixed, but the real question was how bad the rest of the damage was. The good news was that damage didn't end the story. The hole in the case was small. We were able to weld it and bring it back. That's where the build started to turn the corner. What looked like the end, at least for the case, was now becoming a foundation for a 3.9 meter rebuild. With the foundation back in place, the rebuild can finally begin. The bearings were prepped in the carrier with assembly compound. Then the crank, IMS tray, IMS, and chains went into place as the 3.9 liter started coming together. Next came the case halves. One of those steps that looks different from the outside, but is completely normal in this build process. From there, the heads, cams, and the final pieces came together, and the engine started looking whole again. Just like that, the build is complete. What started as a damaged 3.4 liter is now a 3.9 liter ready for the dyno. At Slakker, every engine gets tested and broken in on the dyno. It's how we make sure everything is working the way it should, while also finding out what kind of power the build can make. That process matters, especially when we've had clients pick up their Porsche here in Oklahoma City and drive it all the way home. Even as far as Canada. This was the moment everything had been building toward. Now it's time to find out if this Cayman could hit the number.
Let's go ahead and squeeze some juice out of this one.
That is how you finish a build. 374 horsepower, 323 foot-pounds of torque, and a goal officially met. Now this 3.9 liter mid-engine is almost ready to go back where it belongs. From there, it was time for one of the best parts in the process, handing the keys back to the owner. But before that, we gave Danny a tour of the shop so he can get a closer look at our process, the different stations we worked through, and the wide variety of Porsches we had in the building that day. This is one of my favorite parts of the process, seeing the owner take it all in before getting behind the wheel. And then came the real payoff. From opening the door for the first time.
Don't you? Woo! Oh, I haven't been in here in a little while. Okay, here we go. I'll do this.
To hearing it fire back up.
I always love that steering wheel. Here we go.
To taking it out on the road again. Danny finally got to experience what his 3.9 liter Cayman had become. could hear it in the way he reacted. The sound,
Good.
the feel, the way the car pulled. This was the moment everything started to feel real again.
There it goes.
The dyno had already given us the numbers, but on the road, the story changed.
Is that either? So you do the. So this one you don't even have to fool with anybody. Is that?
Nope, you just get the.
That's the the Oklahoma City U-turn. Hang on, we got a Malibu. There it went.
This wasn't about horsepower anymore. It was about getting that feeling back.
Careful. Yeah, that's the feeling right there. You walk. It's amazing because these cars are so light. You can feel the difference when there's like another body or a full tank of gas. Oh yeah, yeah. You're like, wow, get rid of you and all this gas, and then we can drive fast.
And by the time we hit the pulls,
Garbage truck.
the laughs, and the moments where he really started leaning on it,
Always. Ready? There it is.
you could tell he had really missed this car.
That's plenty fast.
That's the payoff. Not just seeing the build finished, but seeing the owner feel it all over again. And that is how this Cayman came full circle. From a lifeless 3.4 to a rebuilt 3.9 liter, to dusting Malibu, and watching it leave with Wallace by my side, this Cayman is going home. Slakker Racing. On to the next build.
I'm Philip, thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.